So this is a Warhead motor, and yeah, there will be a new version where everything's better and stuff, but there are a lot of the old ones around. So I just want to state, these motherfuckers are getting loose all the time. So what you're gonna do is you just get the screw out and and of course you add Loctite, but this is not enough. If you just add a little bit of Loctite, this is the super terror extreme Loctite, of course, and you are not going to save it. This is not enough, cause everything else here is fucking polished, and on a polished ground Loctite won't keep this from getting off. So I just roughen it up a little bit with a file. Why not? You can use anything else, at least just some scratches. Give it some scratches. So we have some kind of ground where the glue or the Loctite or whatever you're using can just stick. And yeah, if you do this, you can also make a little itch where the screw will sit, and then you just use a shitload of Loctite everywhere. And if you do this and you leave it to dry for a couple of hours, you should be safe. So, should be. Remaining Loctite, you can remove it, but the motor, even if you have leftover Loctite going into your motor, this motor will just fucking kill it. These motors are amazingly strong, as you know. Be careful with it. If you go for high-speed setups, be very, very careful. It will kill everything. Your gears, your piston, everything. And, by the way, remove these little fuckers. That's stated in the fucking instructions. Read them.